Hello guys, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can sign up to the Etsy app. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. After you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, go ahead and open up the Etsy app. Once you're on the home page of the Etsy app, you'll see 5 options on the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and tap on the 4th option, which is the U button. Now once the U page opens up on your screen, go ahead and tap on the sign in option. Since this video is about signing up to the Etsy app and not signing into the Etsy app, go ahead and click on the register button on the bottom of the sign in window. After you click on the register button, another window will pop up on your screen. For you to sign up to the Etsy app, you'll have to firstly fill in your first name here, your email here, and your password here. Once you've filled in all your credentials correctly, go ahead and click on the register button. After you click on the register button, a code will be sent to your email to verify that you are the person that owns that email. After you fill in that code correctly, you'll be automatically signed up to the Etsy app. You can also sign up to the Etsy app using your Google or your Facebook account. For you to use your Google or your Facebook account to sign up to the Etsy app, you'll just have to simply tap on the Continue with Google or Continue with Facebook buttons on your page. I hope this video helped you to sign up to the Etsy app. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.